How to turn off TikTok profile view history. In this video, I'll show you how to stop people from seeing that you viewed their TikTok profile. Start by opening the TikTok app on your Android phone or iPhone. Then tap on Profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top right corner, you'll see either the footsteps icon or a profile viewer icon. Tap on it to view your recent profile viewers if you'd like. Next, go back to your profile page and tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you find the Interactions section, and tap on Viewers. Inside this section, you'll see the Viewer History toggle. Simply turn it off. Once disabled, other TikTok users will no longer be able to see that you viewed their profile. Keep in mind that when this feature is turned off, you also won't be able to see who has viewed your profile. That's it! You've successfully turned off TikTok profile view history. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.